All right, so I'm at the BioLite booth, and I'm here to take a peek at some backup battery solutions they have for the home. Let's go take a look.
Can give you the most background, but the reason we have all three brand partners exhibiting here, all three appliances on display, are really designed to make home electrification easier, more accessible. So Gradient's heat pump, Copper's induction stove, and BioLite's backup system can all be plugged into your wall straight through an AC 120 volt wall outlet.
Awesome.
Yeah. So diving into backup, I know we've talked a little bit, but do you have any background questions, anything specifically you're interested in?
No, I figured I'd come and learn here.
Yes, that is what we're here for. Yeah, so meet Backup by BioLite. Backup is an instant and automatic, super easy to install, easy to use backup home battery solution designed to keep your essential devices, whether it's your fridge or your home office, running in the event of an outage. So what you're looking at here is the 3 kilowatt hour configuration. This is our complete flagship kit. So on the right here you have your core unit, which is really what we call the brains of the battery.
Sure.
That's where your inverter's living, and then we have the extend unit. Each is 1.5 kilowatt hours, so together 3, but you can pair up to 7 of these extend panels with a singular core to get you up to 10.5 kilowatt hours. So super modular, super customizable, accessible solution. Really designed to disappear within the recesses of your home.
Sure.
So only 2.8 inches wide, and so it can fit right behind your fridge, right on top of it, as you see here. Yeah, it can also be mounted horizontally as well, so that's a separate mount. But really, BioLite did a lot of research, whether on types of fridges, how people's kitchens are configured, and the best way to integrate, but applies outside of the kitchen as well.
Sure. So does it go directly into the appliance? So the appliance plugs into it?
So let me show you here. I'll give you a fun moment. So when you slide on over, you can see here that you plug back up directly into your AC wall outlet, and then you plug your appliance, whether it's your fridge, your coffee maker, your blender, directly into backup. Yeah, so really acting as that bridge between the grid to your appliances, and if the power goes down, backup instantly detects it, powers on, keeps your life undisrupted, keeps your fridge running.
And this is a true DIYers solution.
Exactly.
Because
you can do it
there's
yourself.
no hard wiring at all.
Exactly. Under 30 minutes, no contractors, no electricians required. And this unit here, this configuration is going to get you around 30 to 60 hours of backup power.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and then, of course, if you continue to pair with additional extends, you're going to increase that runtime as well.
Sure. Is it just a standard 15 amp circuit?
Yes. So think about anything that you would traditionally plug into that outlet. You can plug it right into backup. Also has solar configuration, so you can charge it up using solar. Say we hope for a grid to not be down for more than 30 to 60 hours, but in the event that it is, you can recharge it using your solar.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Very, very exciting. Yeah. Glad you think so. Yeah. And also another aspect here is that it's configured with Bluetooth and IoT app.
Okay.
So with your app, you can, be in the loop on it. Is backup running? Say you're traveling and you hear that there's a storm happening in your area. You can be confident, have some peace of mind that your fridge, whether it's full of groceries, is going to keep running in that event. And it'll instantly give you an update. Hey, backup's on, keeping you running. Another use with the app here is time of use. So a lot of electricity providers in certain grid areas charge higher rates at different times of day.
Sure. Yep.
So you can actually time when backup is pulling from the grid. So say you want to charge it up during those lower rate times, and then you can switch on when those rates go higher so that your appliances are going from backup rather than the grid.
So it can, even if you don't lose power, you can tell it to,
Correct.
you supply the power to the fridge while the energy density or the energy rates are higher, and then at the time of day when my energy rates drop, then you start recharging.
Bingo.
Haha.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so really designed to be an in-room solution that you can customize, where those areas of your home that you have priority are, whether it's your garage and you've got a big chest freezer, or your kitchen, or your home office with your internet router, want to make sure if an outage strikes, and you're on a Zoom call, you're not going to be in the middle, or if you're filming something, your power is not going to run on your camera source. So definitely expandable throughout the home.
Makes sense to me.